The chief of the generous, Sayyiduna Imam Hassan Mujtaba radiyallahu anhu, who is the elder brother of Sayyiduna Imam Hussein radiyallahu anhu, and companion of the Prophet, is a person of high and exalted status. In their home, the Holy Quran was revealed to their grandfather sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and their adherence to the Quran was exemplary. Who else would act upon it if not these noble personalities? Their actions were so magnificent that they astonished the intellect. Once Sayyiduna Imam Hassan Mujtaba radiallahu anhu was eating with a few guests. A slave was bringing a hot bowl of soup for them when it slipped from his hand, causing splashes of soup to land on Imam Hassan radiallahu anhu as well. Seeing this, the slave became nervous and in an embarrassed tone recited a part of Surah Ali Imran, verse 134.
وَالْكَاظِمِينَ الْغَيْظَ وَالْعَافِينَ عَنِ النَّاسِ.
This describes the qualities of believers, those who swallow their anger and overlook others' faults, those who forgive people. Upon hearing this, Sayyiduna Imam Hassan Mujtaba radiallahu anhu said, I have forgiven you. The slave then recited the last part of the same blessed verse.
وَاللَّهُ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ.
And Allah loves the righteous. Sayyiduna Imam Hassan Mujtaba radiallahu anhu then said, I have set you free for the pleasure of Allah Almighty. This was their practice, based on the Holy Quran. For a slave's mistake, they showered him with bounties by setting him free.
साहिबुल इत्तिका है हसन मुजतबा, सैयदुल अस्खिया है हसन मुजतबा, नवासाए मुस्तफा है हसन मुजतबा, फर्जंद मुर्तजा है हसन मुजतबा, नूर ऐन फातिमा है हसन मुजतबा, दिल बंदे मुर्तजा है हसन मुजतबा, खाइफे किबरिया
है हसन
मुजतबा, सालिहा पारसा है हसन मुजतबा, बाखुदा बासफा
है हसन
बिल यकीन बावफा है हसन मुजतबा, जन्नती बेशुबा है हसन मुजतबा, बाअमल बेरिया है हसन मुजतबा, दिलबरो दिलरुबा है हसन मुजतबा, रहबरो रहनुमा
है हसन मुजतबा,
सैयदों के पेशवा है हसन मुजतबा, सैयदों के पेशवा
है हसन
मुजतबा, नवासाए मुस्तफा है हसन मुजतबा, है शहीद बावफा है हसन मुजतबा, नवासाए मुस्तफा
है हसन मुजतबा.